lift your legs up. So essentially this was a medic run. Get there. I know who the guy is. I run him. He's a 50A. He's got road rash all over his arms. He claims he got hit by a car. Refused, which honestly it looks like he got hit by a car. Refused to do anything with the medics.
Today's video is about a man named Juan Taylor. As you can see by the records on the screen, he's been arrested a couple of times. According to Franklin County Court records, he has at least 34 misdemeanor cases and 7 felony cases. Most of them revolve around stolen property stemming from his drug use. On this day, an officer came in contact with him because someone called in to report a pedestrian struck by a vehicle. Medics arrived on scene. Juan gave them a fake name and refused treatment. Fortunately for Juan, he had a warrant for his arrest. The officer was able to place him under arrest and take him to a local hospital for treatment. The officer then went to the court and had the warrants set aside with a new court date.
What's up, man?
James, what's your last name? No, he just wanted it.
James.
They don't know what happened. What's your last name, James?
I am my God.
You know what month it is?
Yeah.
What month is it?
Hey, brother. Man.
Yeah, May. Who's the president?
Hey, what's that dude's name that you and Susanna arrested that pissed himself? Little black dude. I think he goes by Juan. Is it Juan Taylor? Okay, yeah, it just came to me, sorry. I don't know, he's in the store over here, and of course there's no fucking internet. On 19 precinct to even check him, the medics are out with him. Okay, I appreciate it, thanks.
He don't want to talk to anybody.
Yeah, because he's got warrants.
You saw his phone. Do you mind trying as a witness? I try to get him to the hospital.
Yeah.
How's your day been? A day?
Busy, yeah.
It's 1912.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Juan, you got warrants, buddy. Yeah. Stop. Bring your hands back. Put your palms together like you're praying. Stop. Put your palms together.
Anything else, boss?
Face forward. What happened? Did you get hit by a car? Huh? Face forward, Juan. Gosh, dude. Relax. Stop. I'm trying to lock these so they don't tighten up on you. Walk up here. Straight up here. Yeah, see if the medic checked him out. He refused treatment. He's a 50A. If you have a early precinct, I can come up here and help out. You got anything on you on that's gonna poker stick me? Okay, step up here to the front of my car.
Hey guys,
What?
I believe I never drink one of my
What? Face that car. I'm good until early precinct gets up here. You got any drugs on you today? What'd you get hit by? car? Come on, face forward, please. Where'd you get hit at? Where? Right here? Do you know what kind of car it was? Take a step back. What? What? Do you know what kind of car it was? Are you sure it's even a car that hit you?
It was like someone driving like
Okay, step over here.
Yeah, come on. Like 5 to 1.
Yeah, we'll get you in the back of the car. We gotta get to the other side.
Hi.
About it. Over here. You're gonna have to lift your legs up.
Okay, on a 16, a 34C, a 16A, and a 40.
Come on. Dude, spin your legs around. Spin around. Get your legs in there. So essentially this was a medic run. Get there. I know who the guy is. I run him. He's a 50A. He's got road rash all over his arms. He claims he got hit by a car. Refused, which honestly it looks like he got hit by a car. Refused to do anything with the medics. I think he should go straight to like Grant, because 100% he's not getting into jail. Like, no way they're gonna take him. I have no internet. He was at headquarters. I had no internet connection in my car, so I was gonna run inside. I don't care who babysits him, but I was gonna run inside. I did a pay-per-view 10. I was gonna go inside and type this real quick. I'm afraid to even leave him out here like unattended to, because he may just die. Like, I'm being serious. Like, he's back there coughing like he's got a rib or like a broken rib or something. Juan. What's going on with you right now? Huh? Are you sure you got hit by a car? Did you get hit by a car or did you fall off a bike? What? What? What was that? Did you fall off a bicycle? Juan, did you fall off a bike? Yes? So you fell off a bicycle? What?
I hit my car.
You got hit by a car. Where at? When?
So what's this 58 for?
Probation violation for theft. Receiving stolen property, and I think he's got some misdemeanor warrant. I don't know if we can get it set aside. I don't know how that process works.
Call the clerk.
Even for a felony?
Yeah, you can ask him.
Okay. because it would be through common pleas.
Yeah, call him and ask him.
And I don't mind even calling the judge. I'll call a duty judge.
Yeah, call him and ask him. This is going to be a lot of work.
Just whatever paperwork, I'm going to do all the paperwork, but if I have to go down to records and get a summons of some kind and bring it to you guys, I'll call you and let you know what I got to do.
Okay.
Go to Mount Carmel.
I take them to Grant because they're going to want to like CAT scan them and X-ray them. I don't even think that Mount Carmel has a CAT scan there.
Okay.
Typically anything